Hi there, I am Hassan. I am a professional web developer on Upwork. I did many work on Upwork and all of my clients are very happy with my work. With the years of experience in web development, I specialized in creating website using WordPress, Elementor and WPBakery. Whether you need a brand new website, a redesign or just some fixing error to your existing site, I have the expertise to bring your vision in life. My services: WordPress theme custom development, design customization, CSS customization, Figma XD to WordPress, image or PDF to WordPress Elementor Pro, premium theme installation and customization, Woocommerce development, and I can migrate site from old host to new host. I take pride in delivering high quality product to meet your need and exceed your expectation because my main priority is client satisfaction. My proficiency is to create custom layout and design that are both visually appealing and user friendly. So, if you are looking for a reliable and skilled web developer to work with your next WordPress project, then look no further. Let's work together to create something amazing and boost your business to the next level. Thank you.